accidents involving exotic vehicles are easy fodder for headlines, but, often, that's only the start of the story. No automotive genre is quite as sensational as supercars, and the instantaneous destruction of these 6, sometimes 7-figure, cars triggers the full gamut of human emotion, from revulsion to glee. Why do exotic car drivers seem to lose control so often, inflicting damage to private property, and sometimes human life? By most accounts, modern supercar hardware is often to blame, not for failing, necessarily, but rather because their complex stability control systems work so seamlessly that they can make the driver feel like they are more in control than they might actually be. High-end sports car can incur massive financial implications when things go south. Even minor fender benders can produce hefty repair bills due to the advanced engineering and space-age materials used in their construction. Bigger hits can easily yield 6 figures worth of damage. Perhaps the ultimate high-profile supercar misadventures involved actor Rowan Atkinson and his McLaren F1, which he crashed twice during his 17 years of ownership. The car was purchased in 1997 for a high 6-figure. The car was made right the second time around that reportedly cost his insurance company $1.4 million.